You guys all did great job singing. Thank you. And
Excuse me, everybody. I repeat,
what's
need to
that
get to a
noise?
safe place now.
Everyone, we need to get to a safe place now. What? Wait, what? Where's Nevaeh? Does anybody know where Nevaeh is? No. I don't know where she is. Nevaeh? Yeah? Get to a safe place right now. What's happening? Everybody grab your stuff. Go out the door. What's happening? Tell us. Yeah, tell us what's happening. I don't have time to explain. Just open your things. Come on. Tell us what's happening, teacher. No, you guys, just hurry up. Listen to my direction. Okay. My bag. Whose is this? Oh, this is not my bag. Okay. Teacher, your bag. You left it. All right. Everybody get in a single file line, and we're gonna leave at the door, okay? Could somebody be risky and turn the lights off? I will. Thanks. Turn the projector off, too. We need all lights off at this moment. Close every curtain. Miss, what's happening? Guys, don't worry about it. Just turn off the lights and let's go. Oh, we're having one of those. Okay. Turn off all the lights. Mom, are you okay? Yes, sweetie. Oh my gosh. Turn off all computers. Come on, guys. Let's go. We need to get out. What's happening? Just don't worry about it. We're gonna be okay, kids? Okay, where are we gonna go? We have to hide somewhere. Come on, guys, just follow me. We're going into the teacher's office. Oh, teacher's office, guys. Teacher's office. Guys, what's happening? Does anybody know what's happening except the teachers? Yeah, I think the teachers only know what's happening. Guys, let's just follow her directions. Everybody in here. Come on, Mom, you gotta go. Okay. Sweetie, I never knew one of these would happen. Now, guys, no matter what you say, you have to jump in that painting. How are we gonna do that? Come on, kids. Just get rid of all of these. Everybody, jump in. Okay. We'll jump in first. Okay. Did they actually just jump through the painting? Yes, kids, but it's your time to go. Go. Come on, everybody. Okay. Okay. Jump in. It's really dark in here, and somebody's rattling. Guys, we need to stay here. Come on, just listen to my orders. What's that big noise outside? Is it snowing? Yes, kids, just stay in here. What is this noise? I'm so scared. It's okay, kids. We're gonna stay safe, okay? Okay. Where are we? Why are we cramped in this room? Guys, this might sound crazy, but we're gonna have to stay here for a while. So everybody try to get comfortable. I know there's a lot of us, but we have to evacuate. Evacuate from what? We're having a snowstorm. We never had a snowstorm before. I know, this is a really big one. We might be staying here for a while, but don't worry, guys. Everything's gonna be okay. If we just stay calm, maybe we'll survive. Wait, are you saying we're not gonna survive? No, I'm just saying we have to stay calm and then we'll survive. There's only a few beds. Yeah, somebody's gonna have to take the rest to sleep on the floor. But I'm so scared. Why do we have to stay here? Because there's a huge snowstorm out there. We can't go out there if there's a snowstorm. So, we have food in the fridge, waters, and everything. Why is it so dark? I don't understand. It's dark because power is going off. That's why we turn all the lights off so we can be safe. Safe for what? Cause when it goes out, it explodes. It does? Yes, we have to be very careful. Everybody can lay in a bed and just forget about it, okay? All kids need to be safe, including you, son. Okay. Parents will stay up. Let's get something. Everybody try to stay awake in case something happens. Okay, we'll try. Are we in somebody's house? Yes, but nobody lives here. So we're gonna stay safe. Don't worry at all. Soon we'll be able to come out of here. Whoa, the wind outside is scary. I know. Maybe you should like try to barricade up the doors. Yeah, let's try. All right, we got them all barricaded. Just try to stay calm, okay? Everything's gonna be okay. Okay. A couple hours later. Guys, it's night and you guys have been staying here for so long. Great job on staying here. When are we gonna be able to leave? When the time is right, okay? When the sirens go back on, then that lets us know we're allowed to leave, okay? Okay. And when the lights turn back on, that lets us know we can leave.
Everything is safe.
We're gonna lift her up higher and higher until she gets there. Okay.